In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a product page in Wix. If you've ever added a product to your Wix online store and later realized you no longer need it, or maybe you're just cleaning up old items, knowing how to properly delete a product is really important. This doesn't just remove the product from your store, it also takes care of that product page, so visitors don't stumble onto outdated or unavailable items. Let's walk through this step by step, right from your Wix dashboard. First, log into your Wix account and open the dashboard for the specific site that has your online store. Once you're on that site's dashboard, look at the main navigation menu. You want to find the area where your store items are managed. Here, click on Catalog. This is essentially the control center for your store's items, and it's where all your products are organized. After you click on Catalog, you'll see different sections related to your store. From here, click on Products. This will bring up a list of all the products currently in your Wix store. You'll usually see them in a table view with columns like product name, price, inventory status, and other details. Take a moment to locate the specific product whose page you want to delete. You can scroll through the list, or if you have many items, use the search bar or filters to find it more quickly. Once you've found the product you want to remove, move your cursor over that product's row. On the right-hand side of that row, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots. This opens a small menu with several actions you can take on that product. In that Options menu, look for the Delete option and click on Delete. Wix will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this product. This confirmation is important because deleting a product is a permanent action. When you confirm, Wix removes the product from your store catalog, and the associated product page will no longer be accessible to your site visitors. Before you confirm, double-check that you've selected the correct product, especially if you manage a large catalog. If you just want to hide the product temporarily, consider using visibility or inventory settings instead of deleting it. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted a product page in Wix, keeping your online store organized and up to date.